Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start today's new chapter.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. And today we are going to start a new chapter through the mind map. Our chapter is interesting. We'll discuss in this chapter about media. So, in this chapter, we'll discuss the media and role of media, what is the meaning of media, how to it organize, how they telecast their news through the different news channels. So in this chapter we'll discuss about the media. So now we are going to start media. So through the mind map, we'll discuss only what are the different points, what are the different topic we'll discuss in this chapter. So now we are going to discuss through the mind map what are the important point we'll discuss in this chapter. So first point we'll discuss media. What is the media? Media means what? So, media in simple words we can say, suppose we are living in that area or we are getting the news from Jaipur, what happens in Jaipur or we are getting the news in Chittor by which newspaper may be through the news channel maybe. So these are known as the media. Media we can say media is the medium through this we are getting the news updations. This is known as the media. Media is just a medium. So suppose whatever happens in Jaipur, or how to we are getting in Chittor, how do we know about that in Chittorgarh? So we are getting through the newspaper, through the news channel, through the radio, through the different magazines or like this. So this is known as the media. Media is just a medium. Medium is suppose we are getting the news through the newspaper. Sometimes we are getting the news through the news channel. Okay. So these are the medium. Newspaper, news channels. These are the medium which are providing the news in different areas here in entire nation. So media just like a medium. Media is the medium which provide the news. So this is known as the media. Medias we are getting the news through the new radio, television, news channels. Sometimes we are getting the news like through the newspaper, magazines. So we can say medias are two types. Media are two types. One is the print media, another one is the electronic media. So in this topic, we'll discuss the print media and electronic media. Print media where the words are printed like newspaper, magazines, like. So this is known as the print media and electronic media. We are getting news through the electronic device like a radio, television. These are the known as the electronic media. So in this topic, we'll discuss about the media. Media is the medium and how to we are getting the news. We'll discuss and there are two types of media, print media, electronic media. So in this topic, we'll discuss here about print and electronic media. Next topic, media and technology. So you know very well कि we are getting the news, so some technologies are required to publish the news. Up to publish the news, take the example of news channel. So in for a news channel here, camera is required, a particular employees or persons are required, satellite are required, means they send their news to the satellite telecast the news, how the news telecast, see. First, whatever happens in any area, they collect the news and arrange that in proper format. Suppose anything happens in that area, so they collect news and arrange in proper format, or later on by the different cameras, they may be record through the camera or like this resource person, whatever editor, editors or maybe the different resource person. Later on they send to their news satellite 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 may be telecasted in particular areas or news channels or through this tower. So in such manners, news published. Okay. First news arranged by the news channels or different resource person. Later on, it may be telecast through the satellite. Satellite may be telecast in the different areas in different regions. So this is the way. So media required technology. Without technology, without the camera, today you know what is going on. We are getting the live news. Live means the latest. Live news means the what is going on. We can see inside our home or maybe through the television. So how it is we are getting the live news in today's scenario, that is through the technology only. In technology, different qualities of camera are required, microphone are required, mobiles are required, through their connect through their satellite, news houses are required, where they settle their offices, or in offices, lot of employees are working on the different issues. So these are the way. So media required the technology. Without technology, updatation can't possible. You know, earlier we were getting before 5 to 10 years mostly news through the newspaper. Of what happens in our surrounding or maybe in our entire nation, you know, we are getting news fastly. Both of the first news we are getting. How it is possible? It is possible through the technology only, because changes in technology, changes in machines, tools, or maybe equipments. This is possible. So media always they can update themselves or role of media when we feel when it may be past बहुत ज़्यादा fast होगी यानी that is through the technology. So in this chapter we'll discuss the media and technology. Okay, like a cable operators are required, news channels are required, or different machines, cameras are required, proper channel lines or maybe telecast cables are required. So these are the technology. Media and money. You know, for a technology, money is required. So suppose anyone who providing the news to us, news channel, so they have no such income sources because they have invest lot of money on the media to publish the media. So you know machines are required, you know different salary of different employees are required, offices are required, infrastructures are required, electricity charges, data charges, all things are required. So you know, media always require money. How they arrange themselves, how do they maintain this? So from what, where they are spend money, you know very well. From where they are getting the money. So if you have seen the news channel, so during the news channel or during the news, you have seen between the advertisement. So they are getting their income through the advertisement. Advertisement we will discuss in next chapter. Chapter 7, understanding advertisement. How to we publish the advertisement. Advertisement we can see through the different news channels. So whatever advertisement they are publishing during their news, they are getting money from the different owners who publish or who maybe publish the or who want to uh, publicize like a advertisement. So this is the source of the thing for a media or for a person who is the business house or media house. But see another one thing. Suppose anyone maybe businessman who started the new channel. So their relative or maybe anyone such factories or maybe any such industries are working as a businessman. So they may be criticize their product or not through the advertisement. If they criticize the any product, so no one give the advertisement for the particular channels. So you know many times what happens, we know very well is such. advertisement are not good for the society, not a beneficial for society. Like a smoking to related advertisement, tobacco to related advertisement, wine to related advertisement. These are not good for society. They know very well, but they have the income sources. They are getting income from the advertisement. That's why they never criticize the advertisement. I hope as a pride of nation, there must be ignored such advertisement. Those are not good for society. But in competitions of such news or in competition among the new channel, competition among for the TRP, so they are publishing the such advertisement which are not giving the good message for society. Many times what happens, I can't explain during the Zoom classes, but there are a lot of such advertisement they means that should be not required in front of children. In front of the children, like a different advertisement where the children don't know meaning of that. So such advertisement are not required during that. So what I hope, the government should be take a action on that. Government should be take action on that. Suppose like during the any news, during the any serial, during movies, where is the such smoking scene, maybe not good for the society, not for children, not for others like this. So government maybe ban the such scene, or how to can government can ban the scenes, like a government can maybe the delete the such scene from the serial, means the drama serial natak, such scene from the movies, such scene from the anyone, like whatever they want to publish, like such stories are based on the truth story, like a southern India or such dramas or like this. So government can delete the such words. Sometimes words are not good for the any society, sometimes such sin are not good for the society. So government can delete the such sin, or sometimes government can maybe give the warning through the sin, like someone who are using the smoking or like this. So below the, yeah, there is the script below the screen, case smoking is injurious to the health. Okay, so such message government can give. So if any such sin not a good for society, or when a government maybe ban the such sin, that is known as the censorship. That is known as the censorship. So sometime government can use the such censorship, such power to ban the publishing, or to ban the, they can't publish the such scene in front of the public. So this is known as the censorship. So we will discuss in this chapter about that. So now dear student, at the left side we have discussed the media. Media are two types: print media, electronic media. In detail we will discuss in chapter. Electronic media requires the technology. Without technology media can't work properly. How do they earn technology? Through the money. From where they are getting the money? Through the advertisement. Okay, where they invest the money? On the infrastructure, offices, their equipments, for salary, like this. And now we are going to discuss about the media and democracy. Media and democracy. Democracy, you know very well. Democracy means what? Democracy is the form of government where we elect our leaders, or who can take the decision in behalf of public. Though they are running the government, they are making the laws, they are from the government, they are forming the government, like through the parliament or like the Vidhan Sabha or like this. So media role in democracy in our country. So what is the role of media for a democracy? So dear, for a democracy, media may be playing the both role according by views. One is the positive, another one is the negative. Positive role through the, how do we know where government are giving the budget for the whatever programs or different scheme, or different government, like a national highway, mega highway, government infrastructure building, on health, on education. So through the media we are getting the news what government are doing, how they able to sort out the problem of public. what government are doing for a COVID-19, how the government are managing their self. So through how do we are knowing about the government democracy through the media only. कि whatever debates may be held inside the parliament, how do we know? Through the media. What our government are taking. But today's scenario, if you have seen, some media are playing not a fair role. They are publishing the such news which are beneficial for ruling party. मतलब suppose when we see the television or news channel here, so 5 to 6 channels are support to one political party, 5 to 6 channel are supporting the another one political party. So they ignore the such news which may be harmful for the any political party. So it is not a role of media. Media means what? Where the public can trust on that. Media is the channel. Suppose I am getting the news through the news channel or through the newspaper. That tomorrow onwards such implement may be, yes, such decision may be taken by the government, or maybe गवर्नमेंट विल स्टार्ट द वर्क ऑन डेट, तो वी कैन ट्रस्ट ऑन डेट, हम उसमें ट्रस्ट करते हैं। अब जो देखते हैं मीडिया पे हम ट्रस्ट करते हैं। मीडिया इज द फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। मीडिया इज द फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, और मीडिया शुड बी प्ले द इम्पोर्टेंट रोल। मीडिया शुड बी पब्लिश द सच न्यूज, वॉट एवर फैक्ट न्यूज शुड बी पब्लिश बाय द media. But many times what happens, media proper 2 or 3 channels criticize the BJP government, 2 or 3 channels are criticizing the Congress government, so they are taking the support of the different political parties. It is not good, it is not a fair competition for media. If you see 2 or 3 channels never criticize the BJP party, they always motivate or support to the particular political party. That is not good for the society. It is not good in democracy. Media must be published the such news. I'll take another one example. I'm giving the one example here. Okay, many times to increase the TRP rate, you know dear TRP rate, what is the TRP? To increase the TRP rate, to improve in TRP rate, whatever the news channels are doing, they don't know about that. I am giving the one true example of that. Views also, yes dear. So I am giving the true example of that. Earlier there was the attack on Taj hotels in Bombay. So there was the attack by terrorists, or
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Qassab and 2 or 3 terrorists. So there was the
Some
attack
movie
on the Taj hotel. तो what are news channels were doing? क्या हमारे news channels कर रहे थे उस समय? They are publishing the live telecast. They are publishing the live telecast of what they are doing. How our government, how our defense or our commando, special commando taking their position. It was published by the news channels. Or if you know true, so what was going on? Their mastermind is getting the news through the different news channels. वो different news channels को देख के वो position पता करके they were informing to their terrorists from the ये nation, एक nation है जहाँ से उनके mastermind बैठे हुए थे, और mastermind through the news channel कि where commando are taking their position to protect yourself from that side, they are coming from that area, protect yourself. So they were giving the instruction to their terrorists. So that is the good for our society. This is the good for our country. Ki what is going on? How our soldiers, how our commandos are taking position. We are disclosing that position. We are disclosing that. That is not part of media. Yaar. To increase the TRP, you are forgetting about nation. To increase the TRP, what is going on? You don't know about that. What are the harmful effects of that? कि इसके कितने harmful effects होंगे, पर they don't worried about that. उसके बारे में उनको मतलब नहीं था. They just want to increase their TRP. So how do they live telecast? It was not a good for us. Inside those who were the terrorists inside the Taj hotels, they are well known about the our position. How to we are taking action on that. That is the one example of such media is not playing the important. I am giving the another one example. Another example, suppose how to view. Miss, we earlier there was the surgical strike. Have you heard about the surgical strike? So during the surgical strike, what were the equipment used by us? How do we start the surgical strike? These are the confidential material. These are the confidential. We can't disclose our technology to others. We can't disclose our technology, our defense method, how to we are utilizing the technology. It is just totally confidential. It is totally confidential for what was going on. Earlier time when a surgical strike had, so through the different animation, they were disclosing the arm video. So other nations they know about the technology, how the India has used the technology. This is the second example related to media. कि media many times they are not worried about the country. Third example I am giving. Third example, if you purchase any equipment or any weapons from any nation, like if you purchase the Apache, we have purchased Chinook from the USA, America, Apache from France. So whatever features given in such helicopters or aeroplanes, we must be disclosed that or not. नहीं ना कि we should be disclosed that क्या हमें उन चीजों को बताना चाहिए कि हमने जो परचेस किया इसमें ये फीचर्स है इसमें ये इट में भी इसकी रेंज लाइक 200 किलोमीटर है इसकी रेंज 100 किलोमीटर है सब मिसाइल्स आर अवेलेबल इन दिस these are the confidential material these are the confidential we can't disclose that is related to our country's security that is related to our defense we never disclose our weapons whatever features given in them but many times to increase their TRP media disclose all the confidential material so this is my personal views I'm not thinking everyone may be agree with my point or not but what I have thought कि government should be take action on that कि confidential
सही
material
बात
is
है।
related no one media will be cover up the such use okay so this is the media and democracy so we have discussed in two way how the positive way media are working what government are doing we know how the government want to spend where their budget we are getting the news through the media how the conference or how the press conference held by the different minister we know whatever decision taken by the minister but what are the negative effects of the media and democracy many times they disclose the such confidential material to the other nation next one setting a agenda setting a agenda is the different word better setting a agenda means set a agenda to publish the news okay अब इन आर चित्तौड़ या इन एनी सिटीज सेटिंग एजेंडा मीन्स होता है कि दे डिसाइड व्हाट शुड बी पब्लिश और व्हाट शुड बी इग्नोर क्या चीज हमें पब्लिश करनी और क्या नहीं करनी तो मेनी टाइम इफ यू सीन in there are inside our country there are lot of problem water shortage to related like a social problem society to related okay poverty to related problem there are lot of problem in our society so media publish the such news which are beneficial for media set the such agenda कि which news should be print at the front page or which news should be print at the last page it is decided by media so during the any festival or occasions if you see there are lot of advertisement news comes on the front page because why they are getting the money through the advertisement अब suppose whosoever actor actress are coming in your city it will be published on the front page जैसे चित्तौड़ में suppose anyone celebrities maybe who may be coming out just imagination so they may be published the such news at the front means the on the front page पे they will publish the such news regarding the any actor or any celebrity or whatever Chittor public are facing the water shortage problem or other issues, they publish at the last page. So it is the fair duties of media, which what celebrities are doing, what are their motive to come here, that is not play the important role for anyone, but what our public are facing problem, that is the main, how we sort out the water shortage problem. So many time what I want to say here, many time media set a agenda ki which news should be published at the front page or which news should be published at the last page. So many time such news are important, but media published in a bracket box like in short summary, water shortage to related, like a other problem to related. So these problems are play the important role in our nation, that should be published at the front page. So we can say that is the setting agenda. Of another one example I am giving, balance report. Of what is the balance report here? A balance report, suppose any one factory located in your city, of such factory is concerned with the means, just a factory is polluting the environment. Take the example. Any one factory located in your city or that is polluting the your environment pollution. So if media play the important role, or media publish the report, negative news, जैसे उसने रिपोर्ट दी, यू नो मीडिया नेगेटिव न्यूज या मे बी द बैलेंस रिपोर्ट पब्लिश की कि थ्रू दिस फैक्ट्री पोल्यूशन इज गोइंग ऑन, देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर फेसिंग द लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, दे आर नॉट means the medical to health to related problem, whatever, that is the one side news story. Okay, so what happens if media play the such news? Okay. If media plays such news, only one side news, so what happens? Government maybe take the decision or factory may be off by the government. Factory may be off or maybe factory may be settle any one area. So this is the one side news, negative impact of the factories only. But think another one side. If government may be of the factories or maybe production may be owned by the government, then what happens? Those people who are working inside the industry, they may be unemployment or not. So how their children, how their families will be survived. So when a media maybe publish the balance report, the negative impact of the factory and whatever where factory should be settled, either then government can't settle the factory in other area, so many people maybe face the unemployment problem, how to their children will survive. Whosoever person who depend on factory transport, like they may be face the problem. So if media publish the such news, if factory, what are the reasons factory are doing with the pollution like this, or how to government should be sort out the problem, that is known as the balance report. But many times what happens, if media playing only one side story, one side page of the such issues, one side story, so we can't say such story is the balance report. So in this chapter here, we will discuss the all the topics. Today we will discuss the mind map only. I want to discuss, are you certain